Okay, now we go back to our lesson. The last time we have taken the intro and the first verse. Now we go to the ad-lib. Ad-lib chords are D minor, D, D7, B flat major 7, A7 sustained, and A7. That's 2 times. So I play first the first part for the ad-lib. Okay, so okay, that's the first part. So for D minor, 4th string, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, and then open on 1st string, put it back, and then 2nd string, 3rd string. So twice. And then for B flat major 7, 5th string, 1st fret, open 1st string, put your index finger on the 1st fret, and then 2nd string, and then 3rd string. So open, put it back, and then 2nd, 3rd string. Okay, and then A7 sustained, bass 1 2 3 1 2 3 1, and then A7 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. Okay, that's for the first part. Now part 2 is for D minor, 4th string, 1st string, take off your index finger, put it back, put your pinky on the 3rd fret of 1st string, take it off, pick 1st string, and then open again, and then put it back. So that's for D minor. Okay, that's for D minor. And then for D minor 7, 4th fret, open 1st string, pull open hammer, pick 1st string, pull open hammer, and then put it back, pick on the 1st fret of 1st string, back to 1st fret, lift up your pinky, and then your index finger, open 1st string, and then 2nd string. So it goes like this. Okay, one more time. Okay, now we go to the B flat major 7. Put your 1st string on 5th fret, and then 1st string on 1st string, 1st fret on 1st string, open, put it back, and then 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string. Okay, so okay, that's for our B major 7. Now we go to H7 sustain. Bass 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 A7. Bass 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. Okay, that's for our ad lib. Now the second verse is the same as verse 1, so there's no difference. So we have taken it already. Now we go to interlude. The interlude is the same as the ad-lib. Only the second time, the second part is repeated. Okay? So it's the same. Only twice the second time. Okay, the second time is okay, so that's your third part of the interlude. The first part and the second part is the same as the ad-lib. Okay? Now we go to the last verse. Longing for the sun and the islands without. Longing for the sun on the islands without me. So D minor, the chords are D minor, C, and B flat major. They are repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Okay, so the strumming pattern is down, 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 3 shorts. So for D minor, and then so it goes like so 3 shorts, 1 long, and then two short. So okay, longing for the sun will come on the islands without me. Longing for the sun will come on the islands many miles away from home. He will come on the islands without me. Longing for the sun, he will come on the island many miles. Also, okay. We have to cut it short. We might be get an issue on copyright infringement, so we cannot play it longer than 1 minute. Okay, so just remember 3 downs at 3 shorts and then 1 long. Just like and then 2 shorts. For the D minor is 2 measures, and then C 1 measure, B flat 1 measure. Now after the last part is away from okay, that's our last part because it was played 8 times. After strumming down, then we go to the outro. The outro goes like this. So 3, open on the 3rd fret, and then 3rd on the 3rd fret, 2nd on the 3rd fret, back to 3rd, pull off to 2nd fret, and then open on 3rd fret, then 3 again, 2 on 3rd fret, and then third fret on fourth string, back to open on third string, open, and then 2, and then back to fourth string, second fret, third fret, and then second fret again, hammer and pull off, okay, and then open on fourth string, second, open, second, third on fourth string, and then one more time on third string, slide to fifth fret, and then go back to third fret, and then D minor. So you have to play the intro 2 times for the, and then F, and then A, and then one more D minor, but this time D minor 7, and then B, A7 sustain, and then D minor 7, E7, A7 sustain. So the chords are D minor, F6, and then B flat, major 7, A7 sustain, okay, and then D minor again, this time D minor 7, B flat, A7 sustain, A, D minor 7, B flat, A7 sustain, and then D minor 7, B flat, A, and then you repeat the whole process, okay, and on the second time you fade away, okay, so okay, just play. Oh, well, I guess, I play the outro lead first. Okay, got it? Well, that's it. Okay. So, before we go to our next lesson, please like and share. You comments. You can make a suggestion. And also make a request. Don't forget to click the notification bell and also the closed captions for subtitles. And again, don't forget to subscribe. It's just one click. It's just less than a minute to click the subscribe button. Okay, well, our next lesson will be Unchained Melody, but this will be there's a lot of get a lesson for Unchained Melody, but mostly Righteous Brothers. So I'll be doing the Air Supply version. just click the notification bell. Okay, that's it. Yeah.